Yo, what's everybody? It's Amazing Chris here. How's everybody doing today? I am filming this video in my mom's room today. I have not been posting. I am sorry about that, guys. But I got a video. It's gonna be a good one today, maybe, hopefully. I'm gonna try my best to make this video long as possible. So today we got an unboxing video from Amazon. Y'all can see right here. Did not open it yet. So Uh, I got this package 3 days ago. It just came in like 2 minutes ago. So there's gonna be more unboxing videos coming because I got three more things coming in. So I'll probably be making like three more bangers for y'all. Um, Other than that, let's get to it and hope y'all enjoy. Put y'all on my leg there. Lift this bad boy open. Oh no. Yes, Phil. My bad on that. Okay. Okay. Got this off of Amazon here. So let's open this up. Okay. The bonnet. I got a bonnet off of Amazon, y'all. Alright. Put y'all right there. I hope you guys can hear me. Oh boy. Am I wearing this right, y'all? Am I wearing this right? I think I am. I have to be. Yeah, guys. So this is the video. I hope y'all heard all that. But there's gonna be more videos coming soon. Alright, y'all. So you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And it's gonna be more. I'll try to post more, guys. I haven't really been doing well, so I got you guys with some more content coming up. I'll try to post. I'll try to stay tuned with y'all. Also, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and for y'all in school still, I hope you guys have a great school year. Also, guys, for all the seniors, I am also a senior this year, so 2025 for me. Let's get it. So yeah, guys. Uh, this is the end of the video. I love y'all. Peace.